Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clone a GitLab repository using Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it is open, look to the left side menu. From there, click on the extensions icon. This icon lets you add extra tools to Visual Studio Code. When the extensions panel opens, go to the search bar at the top. Click inside the search bar and type GitLab Workflow. When you see GitLab Workflow in the list, click on it. After that, click on the Install button. Give it a few seconds to finish installing. When the installation is done, go to the left side menu in Visual Studio Code. You will now see the GitLab icon there. Click on it to open the GitLab Workflow extension. Before cloning a repository, make sure the Git is installed on your PC. Now, inside the GitLab Workflow panel, look for the option that says Clone Repository. Click on this option. A small input box will appear asking for the repository URL. Go to your GitLab account in your browser, copy the URL of the repository you want to clone, then come back to Visual Studio Code and paste the URL into the box. Press Enter on your keyboard. Visual Studio Code will now ask you to choose a destination folder. This is where the repository files will be saved on your computer. Select any folder you like, then confirm your choice. Visual Studio Code will now start cloning the repository. Wait until the process is complete. Once finished, you will see the project files opened in the editor. Thanks for watching.